The Vatican urges Catholics not to scatter the ashes of the dead after cremation, and instead store the ashes in places approved by the Church. The new guidelines published by the Church also say the ashes of the dead should not be kept at home, but should instead be kept at the cemetery or other sacred place. German Cardinal Gerhard Ludwig Müller says we also avoid eventually forgetting them and the lack of respect which can happen, especially after the passing of the first generation. He adds the body is not the private property of the family, but is part of the body of Christ. The new guidelines come just in time for All Souls Day on November 2. Cremations have become increasingly popular since the Vatican allowed the practice a half-century ago.